Do you guys know what is the best way to travel from Mumbai to Goa? It's not by air or by train. Yes, it's by road. Today, in Men Must-Haves, I'm going to show you how to plan your Mumbai to Goa road trip with all the nitty-gritty details as well as the budget you'll need. Choose your preferred route. There are two ways to travel from Mumbai to Goa. Our route 1 is Mumbai to Goa via the NH48. This is the shortest and the best route to travel between Mumbai and Goa. It is also the fastest because the traffic is on the lighter side and there are no road closures. The distance between Mumbai to Goa on this route is somewhere around 575 kilometers and takes about 12 hours. The second route is via Bangalore-Mumbai-Pune highway. This is a longer route to travel from Mumbai to Goa than the previous one. Also, the road conditions are a little variable on this route. The distance from Mumbai to Goa on this route is around 604 kilometers and it takes a little over 13 hours to reach there. To avoid road closures, always check for the latest updates. Some of the popular places along the way are as follows. The Karnala Bird Sanctuary. This place is very interesting for bird lovers as there are many different species of birds to admire here. The Kune Waterfall Viewpoint. Dropping down from a height of 200 meters at a cohesive force, this three-tiered waterfall is the country's 14th largest. The Lohagarh and Ragmachi Fort. The ancient forts deserve a visit for the rich attached history to them, as well as the scenic views they afford. Kolhapur. Stop here for the gorgeous temples, a little bit of history and lots of good food. Still not high on popularity charts, Belgaum is full of treasure troves. Let me tell you some of the places to eat in Goa. For Goan and Thai cuisine, my recommendation is the Kantare restaurant. But if you are a continental fan, then do visit the Black Sheep Bistro, the Martin's Corner or Bay 15. Arjuna Art Cafe and Purple Martini offer yummy Mediterranean delicacies. But if you are a fan of South Indian food, then don't forget to visit Gunpowder. Now the third most important thing while planning your road trip is the cost. For bikes, it can be a little cheaper, but for cars, it's slightly expensive. Since bikes give a better average, the cost of fuel is around 4,000 rupees, whereas for a car, it will be roughly around 8,000 bucks. Number 4 is splitting the expenses. So to make your life easy, there is this app known as Splitwise. It allows you to split expenses with all your friends. If a group needs to share the cost of a particular bill, Splitwise ensures that anyone who pays is reimbursed the correct amount with a minimal number of transactions. Choose the right vehicle. Picking the right car for a road trip is very important as the journey is long, so traveling in comfort should be a topmost priority. For the route from Mumbai to Goa, traveling in an SUV is the safest bet. The SUV is spacious from the inside, so it will be super comfortable as it is a 10 to 12 hour long journey. A well-maintained car. The car or bike must be taken care of properly. There should be enough fuel in the car when traveling, as it is a long distance of roughly 600 kilometers. Also, the journey is long enough with some stretched, uninhibited places where getting stuck might not be the best idea. So I suggest keeping an extra tire while traveling. Always notice the road signs, look for a speed breaker and take a note of your fuel tank. In my opinion, this trip will cost you around 15 to 20k, depending on where you stay and for how long. But yeah, if you plan to stay longer than 3 to 4 days, your budget might increase slightly. So do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.